what to think about when purchasing your first Wakesurf board. So Cole Classic right here is the board that I put on every single first time surfer's boat. It's a great board just because it has enough size that it will give you a little margin for error. Thickness is another thing to think about. So the thicker the board is, the easier it's going to be able to ride and the more push that it'll have from the wave. One more thing to think about too is the number of fins that it has. The more fins it has, the more grab that backside will have, and that'll make it easier to ride for beginners. This board I love because you can put all 3 fins in, it's going to grab really well, it's going to be easier to ride. You can take a couple out or take one out if you want to free up that tail on it as well. One thing to think about when looking at sizing here, this is a 5 foot. It'll probably be good from 100 pounds all the way up to 200 or 220, depending on the size of your wave. The bigger the wave, the higher over that stated capacity you can go. This board right here, this is a skimmer. This is a 4'4" board. The stated capacity on this is 145. On a Malibu 23 LSV, me at 200 pounds can ride this board, just to show you how when you have a good wave like a Malibu 23 LSV, you can go quite a ways over that stated capacity there.